Sesame Street. That's an old-fashioned antenna. Most TVs like this are built for this antenna. This TV was my dad's when he was in college in 1980 something. It's snowing!
Florida swing time, this game has started to trend.
So today I installed this antenna, and this TV works now. I'm so happy. You know, I've been wanting to do something like this for years. This is the first time this TV is being used since 1990 something. So, yeah. There used to be an antenna thing, but this is a custom one I made to make it stand out more. So those of you who are watching were born in the 80s, look, this is a good TV. So, hope you like this video and make sure you subscribe. So, bye.